You were such a stranger, lying there beside me, moving like a river. Oh, I was so afraid that I was gonna lose you, that I could never have you here in my arms forever. Is a long, long time, longer than we ever realized. Forever is a long, long time. I'm gonna love you the rest of my life, Victoria.